And in this video I'm going to show you that how we can convert this search live search into jQuery and Ajax. We have already worked on this and I had already shown you how you can make this live search using Ajax, but this time I'm going to show you using jQuery. Okay, so let's get back to the code. I have already coded here. Let me show you. Okay, so this is our previous code, isn't this one was our previous code. What I've done, just I have included here this jQuery. Okay, and then I've just commented out this one. I have just commented out the previous code, which one, the course.html, and then I have written this code, document type get ready, and then text input. What I've done here, I just put here one ID. Okay, the ID name is txt input. So what I have written here, on key up, that means when we will type something, then what will happen, the data will be extracted from here. Okay, the value, whatever value we will type, for example R, we typed R, then value R will be extracted and then assigned into Q variable. Okay, and then that Q variable is passed to this course list.php, and then this is the parameter and this one is the value. So it is similar to that one, the above one. So now if you compare both the codes, let's compare here these two codes, then you will have a clear picture. What happens when this display, this str text was coming here, and then the same text, str text, was passed to PHP file using this query string, this Q. Okay, so here in jQuery the same code we are passing this way. So you can see it is easier as compared to that one, because we don't have to write this one and we don't have to declare a function also. You don't have to write this, you create this XML HTTP request, you don't have to write this function and ready state and all this code is taken care of jQuery itself. So what I've written here, txt input on key up, that means this txt on key up, when you write something here, you write something, it goes to here in this val, and then it is assigned here, and ultimately it is passed to PHP, and whatever result is returned, it is displayed in this div. So where is it? This div is here. So you can see this code is concise, this code is easier to understand, but remember that jQuery must be included in the top. In this code we don't require this, but if you want to use jQuery, of course, then you have to call the jQuery library before using this. So let's see the result. The result is same, there is no difference and changes in that, you can see, but this time it is easier. Oh, we need to change into our PHP code also. We had modified like last time, this one, just okay. So now we are changing once again to course list.php. okay, now if we check, then it should work. R undefined index, R A J E. Okay, there is something wrong. What we are passing from here, this one, $Q. Okay, let me check here. by putting alert q. Let's test it. Yeah, the value is passing, right? So somehow it's not going to PHP file. Now let's check into network section. Okay, so request method is actually post here. That is right, it is not get. So we need to change here in this PHP, rather post. Now it should work. So if I write here, then you can see it is once again working perfectly. So now let me explain you so that you can understand better, because I've already typed it to save time. That is right. But if I explain you, then you will understand what I have written here. So let's open this browser one side and this. So when we type here, this is the text box. Okay, this is the text box, this one. So what I've done here, I've just declared here ID. Okay, so based on that ID, when we type something in this text box, then it detects this based on this ID, and here we have written on key up. So if you know Jquery, then easily you might be understanding that this is the action, this is actually the event. So this key up event is fired. Okay, so when you type here, then the character automatically, this whatever you type here, this goes to, it takes its value, and okay, and the same value is assigned to this variable q, and after that this q is actually passed as a JSON format here. So this is key value format, this is key and this is value. So now let me show you the difference. If I, rather than q, if I put here something different, then I can also write on my own name, say Qri y. Okay, so depending upon, I can give it any name. Alright, now let's see the PHP file, this one. So now rather than writing q, I will write here Qri. Why? Because we this time this Qri will actually go to here. So that's the relation, and this q is actually related to this. So you know the difference, this one is related to this one, and this Qri value goes to actually this PHP file, and ultimately we get the value from here. And this query is same, which I've already shown you in the previous video. So hope you understand this, and you can see it is really very easy. So in the next video I will show you CRUD operation, create, update, delete and read operation using Ajax. So stay connected and see my next videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.